And I got a 2024 Nissan Pathfinder remote here. I wish I had to open it up to replace the battery. Okay, so flip it over. You have a button right here that we're going to slide over to the right and hold down, and then we're going to pull out the emergency key. Once we have that open, we're going to split the remote in half, and what you can do is just pick this spot right here in this corner. You're going to need a small flathead screwdriver. Right where the silver meets the black right here. Put this in here in this corner, give it a little bit of a twist, and it'll crack open like that. Same thing on this side. Okay, you don't have to sit there and pry at it. You just twist the screwdriver a little bit. I'm gonna go around and just gently open this guy up. And on the back cover is where the battery is. I'm going to just take this out like this. Make sure you don't lose this contact here. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery is going to be a CR 2032 battery. Positive sign facing down. It has a little positive sign there. It's be facing down. We're going to stick it onto this contact or against this contact first and lay it in like that. If you need a battery, check the description box. I have a link with the size and where to get the battery at. And you just get the two halves. We're going to put them together. Start at the top, work our way down, snap it all back. Where the key goes in. If it locks in, you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and it was. Appreciate if you could leave me a comment or hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it.